how to buy Ski Mask Trump token. So this token came under the symbol of Ski Trump. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So as you can see, before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. And as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 93%. That's good. That's mean investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And as you can see, this token address came under the base network. Open your wallet for that. And I will use the Bitget wallet. Now here, select the base as a network from here, as you can see. Now just click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your account, find your token that you just added to your wallet. Now see, so this is our token. Click on it, click on swap here, switch the token, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC. Now make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Here type how much you want to buy, and you will be able to see here how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Ski Trump token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.